that at the start, when the teaser was out, I thought of taking boxing as a profession. By the end of the movie Tufan, I gave.
Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. It's so good to see you all after so long. I think we're doing this after 3 weeks or something, Arch.
Yeah,
A very long time.
exactly.
I know, it's
How are
been
you,
very
Tanya?
long. And आज जब हम कर रहे थे, I was like, we have to talk about the two, I wouldn't say blockbuster both films, but the two films that have come out this week based on boxing. And हम लोग सब लोग ने दोनों films देखी है, and we wanted to talk about it and compare and analyze which movie is better and why. But before we get into that, I want Sadik and Farah to introduce the films. And because the Hindi film came first, Sadik, can you introduce the movie?
Yeah, so the Hindi film that we are talking about is Tufan. So it came last week on 16th of July on Amazon Prime. So coincidentally, I just wanted to add that both these films came on Amazon Prime in the span of around 6 days. So the first one we are talking about is Tufan, released on 16th July. It starred and it was produced by Farhan Akhtar by Excel Entertainment. It was directed by Rakesh Omprakash Mehra. So it's the same duo that did another sports drama movie, which was Bhag Milka Bhag. It was a sports biopic.
So the other movie, which is also a boxing movie, is called Sarpatta Parambarai. I hope I'm getting the pronunciation right for the ones who speak Tamil. If I'm not, please, sorry. And that's again a boxing film, and I feel sports as a genre is very limited. So it was actually surprising for me that within a span of 6 days, there were two movies based on the central theme of boxing that had come out. And of course, if you're going to get there, the South Indian one did score.
Yeah. So, firstly, I want to talk because we watched Tufan first. So, I want to talk about what kind of expectations we had from the movie and what did it live up to our expectations as a film when we saw the trailer or the teaser or the poster.
So starting with Tufan. So to be very honest, when I saw the trailer of Tufan, I think teaser also, so trailer teaser both. So I was very excited to be honest. I had huge expectations from Farhan Akhtar because I have seen one of his videos where he said that the film that inspired him initially to become an artist. I mean, whether being an actor, whether being a producer or a director, whatever it is. So it was Raging Bull, a boxing movie, a very famous boxing movie that starred Robert De Niro as Jake LaMotta or Jake Liotta. I don't remember the title name of his. So it was Raging Bull that inspired him. And if you see Tufan also, there is some glimpses of the character of that the Raging Bull character, which Robert De Niro played. He also gained weight. He also was very angry. He also had two great characters. So it was very similar to Raging Bull. So that's why Tufan was very similar to that. Even if you see the storyline, if you haven't watched the film also, it's very similar. And even if you see the transformation video of Farhan Akhtar, so it's very evident and it's very clear that it's inspired from Raging Bull. The storyline is very similar and slightly similar to Rocky also. So it's a combination of Raging Bull and Rocky. So when I saw the film Tufan, I was highly disappointed that it's so cliched, it's so predictable. The background music, it's so poor. I mean, it's unlike Farhan Akhtar because I've seen Dil Chahta Hai, I've seen Laksh, I've seen Don 2 also. Don 1 I never liked. So whatever, even if you see his production also, like if Dil Dhadakne Do or whatever films they make, Zoya or Farhan, so they are really good, and at least the background music is good. So Tufan had nothing. I mean, it was a very avoidable movie. And if
Yeah.
you ask anyone, I mean, if anyone of sane mind, I don't think he would appreciate
Yeah.
Tufan. And if you've seen Mukkabaz also, I mean, Rocky and Raging Bull are high level films. So it's really, at least from mine, it's very stupid
Even
to even
Mary
compare them.
Com.
Mary Com also, yeah. Even Mary Com was an amazing movie. So even if you watch Mukkabaz also, no, so if you watch Mukkabaz and compare it with Tufan, so Mukkabaz is miles ahead. And
Yeah.
was in 2008 movie at a very low budget. It was quite disappointing. And when you compare it to that Sarpatta Parambirai, I mean, the Tamil movie, so it's quite realistic and they are showing how the social and political issues are connected with it.
Yeah.
So it's very important to see that. That was evident in Mukkabaz also. And it's very important to make that in that context. So this is the main reason why I preferred Sarpata Parambai and I was very excited to watch it. And it lived to that. No, not lived. It far exceeded my expectations.
Yeah.
High quality sports boxing movie. Amazing. So yeah,
Also, I
over to
believe
Farad.
that. Sorry, I also believe that Tufan was made for a commercial purpose. Like they didn't care about the
Exact.
storyline. They just thought, "कि हाँ,
Yeah.
Farhan Akhtar hai. This is the
Mm,
team. पैसा तो मिल जाएगा, मूवी तो बन जाएगी. Whereas the other film
Yeah.
had a motivation. It was not only about boxing. There was a message in that movie. जिसमें boxing was the underlying message for a commercial purpose. But the movie was not only about boxing, which I liked a lot. And Tufan was just like कि you're watching, it's a headache, and then after like the second half, you don't even want to watch. एक तो ट्रेलर
Yeah.
में सब कुछ था, ट्रेलर के अलावा उस मूवी में ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं जो नया देखने को मिला, except the end, which was obviously not
Yeah.
good. Also, the
Yeah.
Tufan में जो shots थे again and again when there's punching, they're showing like Trish. It was like you're watching like a Balaji TV show, like so much stress on the what is happening to him. It was so annoying to watch. Like in the end, I was just like, this is not something that Farhan Akhtar or Excel makes. There is definitely some goof up that has happened while making this film.
So what I think, पहले तो as you guys rightly pointed out कि जो हिंदी फिल्म्स है उनको तो पहले ट्रेलर कट करने आना चाहिए. You cannot reveal everything. I mean, there were like critical plot points which you actually had given out in the entire trailer. In the 3-minute trailer, it was a 3-hour film, 2.5-hour film, Tufan, and you gave everything away in that 3 hours. Which also is another way to say that did you have enough content in the movie that you had
No,
to give
they did not.
everything out? Exactly. So then that's all the more reason you should have not cut the trailer. I still remember when the teaser had come out of Tufan. When you say a teaser, it is meant to tease you a little. That is exactly what it did. It was perfect. It set the excitement levels very high for
Yeah.
Tufan. And it was that combination of Rakesh Omprakash Mehra and Farhan Akhtar who were returning after Bhag Milkha Bhag. And naturally, that movie was excellent, I feel, in the sports genre. It is cliched also, but fictionalized, but still,
But
it
it
was
had
pretty
a
good one.
purpose and it was nice.
It had a purpose. It had a transformation
Yeah.
journey.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है? तूफान में जो प्रॉब्लम था, everything was vanilla. Like there were like it was almost like Gully Boy meets Sultan. When they say that, it was not wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, मतलब street side टपोरी है
Yes.
वो,
Yeah.
you know, they are actually you know, getting into boxing, and for God's sake, I mean, the doctor is falling in love with a tapori. I mean, how far-fetched is that? Is that that is utmost ridiculous. I mean,
That,
he found his
that's
purpose.
that's 80s ka masala that happened to use in 70s or 80s mein hota tha.
Exactly.
And I am actually disappointed with Excel Entertainment. I'm not sure who greenlit this project. In my review on Popcorn Reviews, Tanya, you can leave a link for both the reviews,
I will.
Sarpatta, Parambarai, and Tufan. You can leave it in the description below. You can read it
Yes.
there.
Yeah.
Detailed reviews are there. I did go a little slow on Tufan, though I did go a little slow on Tufan, considering the amount of blood and sweat the lead protagonist, which is Farhan Akhtar, had gone through. Sad to say, that the writing was abysmal. It was so predictable. It was like I mentioned this in my review also. It was as predictable as a multiplication table of 3, you know. And I mean, you could see, barring that one twist that was there. Let me spoil it also. I don't want many people to watch it. That Mrunal Thakur dies.
Yeah.
Okay, that was one that I did not see it coming. That was one twist that was not in the trailer also, which is good from the maker's point of view. But that was the only twist that was there.
Yeah.
Other than that, it was all vanilla.
Yeah.
And the thing was that in Bhag Milkha Bhag, if I have to compare, why I'm comparing, because it is a sports drama, so I have, you know, few references that are there. The transformation journey, when you see that portion in Ladakh that was there, that you could actually feel that with the pulsating background music that was there.
Yeah.
And here, somehow that I mean, I was just joking in one of the groups. I really wanted to like the movie. I was thinking, should I not? Because I'm a little, if you know me by now, I'm a little lenient critic. First half, he had lost that, you know, that Tapori wala accent that was there, and it was more polished, so to say. That was in his performance too. But other than that,
Yeah.
his
It was like,
And
sorry,
was
it was
good.
like Aishwarya Rai speaking Urdu in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
yeah, and that Urdu was so pathetic. Being from a
What was
guy
that
from
Urdu? I
Karachi,
can speak better Urdu than her in that movie.
uh, and to be very honest, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil ji was so mediocre film. I mean, how come people watched it? Such a.
I liked
I
it except the cancer part.
exactly. What I'm being witnessing in the last 5 years, the quality of Hindi movies has declined to a horrible extent. Or
Not
maybe
Indian movies,
our
Hindi movies.
Hindi, yeah, that's what I'm
Hindi.
saying.
Oh,
Hindi
I thought
movies
I
has
heard Indian.
uh,
Sorry.
no, Hindi movies has declined to such a great extent, or maybe we are seeing such amazing regional cinema
South
that
cinema.
yeah, South specifically and Marathi also. Because I
Yeah.
just watched Disciple this year.
All
For
regional
me,
ones.
yeah. Disciple, though, I mean, it was extraordinary, stunning film.
In one scene, they were showing one conflict. In the next scene, it was resolved
Yeah,
also. I mean,
yeah,
ऐसे थोड़ी
Yeah,
ना
it was
होता है
like
यार.
a cakewalk. मतलब movie में क्या हो
yeah,
रहा है? There
ऐसे
is
थोड़ी
no
होता है.
breakdown of scenes
yeah,
and there's no
And
yeah,
I'm
motivation.
shocked. I'm also shocked that someone like in Ashutosh Gawarikar was praising the movie. I mean, are you just being sweet? Or, I mean, you're allowed to have your opinion, okay? I mean, it was not a bad watch, I would say. There's been far more pathetic movies that are there just to be
mm,
on the,
uh,
just to set the record straight. But if you are going to reward such mediocrity, then we are going to get mediocre films only
uh,
in Hindi industry.
True, and
So
it
I
is a
think,
bad movie when it comes to Excel.
exactly.
yeah, yeah,
It's a
yeah,
bad
yeah,
Excel
movie
standard
because
is
it's
very
an
high.
Excel film. If it was some
yeah, correct.
other, we would have been like, okay, it's not a bad watch, you tried or whatever. But then you know that Excel can afford to make a good movie. You have the best
Exactly.
writers in the industry, so why not use it?
And just to say that Gully Boy that was there, that was such an engaging movie that it didn't come out too long ago, right?
Uh,
It was in that
Years, 2
similar
3
mold,
years,
if
yeah.
I can say. Yeah, it was in
2019,
a
yeah.
similar mold, and that was such good characters that were there. Even within that predictable space that was there, to such good
Yeah,
characters. Even people, even together, they talk. Even till date, they talk about Moin as a character, which was played by Vijay
yeah,
Raj or Vijay Verma or
MC Shane.
MC Shane, Siddhant Chaturvedi. So there were such, if I can call it, iconic characters that were there. But here, the characterization, just
yeah.
just everything was just too mediocre.
Even if you forgo about boxing, I mean, if you keep boxing aside, if we look at from the sports perspective film, I mean, if you remember Chak De India, so Chak De India may also they showed the struggles of the women team. I mean, they had to struggle till the very end. I mean, they were not even allowed to go and compete. I mean, the sports authority, they were so corrupt that they allowed the pathetic men's team, but they didn't allow a good and a hard-working women's team. So they had to compete with the men's team, and they almost defeated the men's team, and still they were not allowed. So they had to fight till the end to to even go and compete with them. So they had to show them, and they lost 3-2 in that, and they suddenly went to the team, and they had to struggle very hard, and they won the final. So
Yeah.
this
I
also
think
shows quite realistic stuff.
I think that is what the sports genre is. I think the makers or the writers that are there, they have to stay clear of the cliches that are there, as Sadiq
Yeah,
rightly said.
Yeah.
exactly. Uh,
Something that is
and
not expected to come up in the sports.
yeah, exactly. So I wanted to ask you, Farad, that what was the best thing you liked about Sarpatta Parambai?
Yeah, I
Tufan
think
to
we
we
should
have
now
dashed a
talk
lot.
about the better movie. Talking about Tufan is
Yeah,
a waste of time, honestly.
yeah, seriously.
So Sarpatta Parambarai, I think right from the first scene, I think that was that 24-minute. It was not a one take shot, but it was that prologue that was there before the main story started, introducing you to the characters and sucking you slowly into that
Into
world
the
of boxing.
film.
It was so, at the heart of it, it is a sports film. But if you look on the overall perspective, it is much beyond that. It is like
Yeah,
Exactly.
it is
Exactly.
a political drama, so to say,
Yeah.
with a hint of
Social
politics in it,
status, politics.
social status. Even it reminded me slightly about that Shah Rukh Khan movie that was the Josh, Eagles and Bichhu.
yeah.
Sailaro,
Exactly.
Sailare, that one.
Uh,
So वैसे ही कुछ
exactly.
था. I mean, it was like so much more. I mean, at no point did I feel bored. It is a longer movie than Tufan, by the way. It's almost a 3 hour
2 hours
movie, and
53
I was,
minutes.
Yeah.
yeah. and I watched it last night in one go without
Yeah, I
any
watched it
pauses,
today.
and it was such a
Yeah,
breeze. Such a breeze
yeah,
it was. I didn't feel bored. I kind of knew what the ending was, but the journey was important. The transformation journey यहाँ पे कितने अच्छे से दिखाया था. जो फरहान अख्तर में, I wanted to see that blood and sweat that he had actually gone through. जो रियल लाइफ में उसने जो 8 पैक बनाए थे फरहान अख्तर, मुझे वो फिल्म में भी देखना था कि कैसे बनाए. आप ऐसे नहीं दिखा सकते कि एक में ही हैज अ पॉन्च एंड एक में आ गया एब्स. ऐसा नहीं होता है. द नरेशन एग्जीक्यूशन, यहाँ पे आप एक्शन सीन्स भी देखिए. वहां पे तूफान में बुरे नहीं थे एक्शन सीन्स. जो बॉक्सिंग वाला था वो बुरा नहीं था, लेकिन यहाँ पे आप देखिए जो एंगेजमेंट आपको मिलती है, जो जो ट्विस्ट एट द हाफ में मार्क होता है. You do see a downfall कि होना ही है in a sports drama, but the way it was done, did you predict कि ऐसा होगा,
Yeah.
ऐसा एंगल होगा? Did you predict? I तो did not predict it कि ऐसे एंगल से
yeah,
फिर उठेगा. And the characters that were there, जो साइड कैरेक्टर थे, जो साइड तो नहीं कहना चाहिए, जो सपोर्टिंग कास्ट में जो
Supporting
थे, जो
cast.
वेट्री का कैरेक्टर था, जो रमन था, जो रंजन, जो द कोच दैट वाज देयर, फिर जो ओपोनेंट जो था वो वेम्बुली. ऑल दीज वर लाइक वेल एच्ड आउट कैरेक्टर्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी मतलब सामने आ जाता है और उसको मार के जीत जाते हो. यू हैव टू शो द ऑपोजिशन ऑल्सो कि वो वर्दी ओपोनेंट है. आपको उसका बैकग्राउंड दिखाना पड़ेगा. यही तो स्टोरी है आपकी. नहीं तो आप कैसे. तूफान में आप देखोगे तो ही जस्ट एक सीन पहले में 2-3 को हरा देता है वो ओपोनेंट, एंड यहाँ पे वो इन द बोलते हैं कि बहुत खतरनाक है वो वो इम्पैक्ट नहीं लास्ट करता. बट यहाँ पे दे हैड अ बैकग्राउंड कि भाई ये दैट कैरेक्टर दैट वाज देयर वो, एंड विद इन दैट सेम क्लैन दे हैड इश्यूज आल्सो. वो भी
Yeah.
दिखाया
yeah.
था.
Yeah. Also, the background
तो
score was so good, guys. Like
बैकग्राउंड
background
was
score.
पल्सेटिंग था, एब्सोल्युटली पल्सेटिंग. ये तो बिग स्क्रीन वाली
Yeah.
मूवी थी एक्चुअली.
This is what I was about to tell you, that I still listen to that Bhag Milka Bhag soundtrack on almost on a daily basis to motivate myself, specifically Zinda and the title song of Bhag Milka Bhag. So Bhag Milka Bhag released in 2013, and the background score is so good that I have to listen to it every day. It's that good. But Tufan is very avoidable. And Sarpatta, I saw that the Sarpatta Parambara, it's really motivating and it's
Yeah,
engaging.
a very
Just like-
good
just like-
background score. Background score makes
Just
a
like-
lot of difference in sports films.
It is the foundation, no? It is the foundation of a sports film. That's what Rocky had. Rocky
Yeah.
soundtrack released in 1976. First came in 76, then second came in 78, 79. Then the third came in 82, fourth came in 86. So if you listen to the soundtrack, it's much more relevant today also. It's even better now. I mean, if I go to the gym, even in Karachi, if I see.
So the thing was just the last thing that I would want to make a point, that we actually are, even in times to come, either there'll be very rarely in Hindi films, I would say, there'll be rarely a movie like one Sherni that would come out, or one Ram Prasad Ki Tervi, or one Paglet for that matter, which should come out. And there are so many remakes that are lined up. I mean, एंड रीमेक भी इफ यू सी, उसके एक थोड़े पहले अगर देखेंगे, एक दिन पहले जो असुरन का रीमेक आया था, वो मतलब इट सी मतलब इवन
I watched it. I didn't like it.
मुझको बुरी नहीं लगी थी वो, बिकॉज दे हैड केप्ट द एसेंस सेम. उसमें एसेंस सेम था. फ्रेम बाय
Venkatesh
फ्रेम
was good. Venkatesh was good, yeah.
फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम कॉपी था. तो रीमेक भी ऐसे बनाओ आप, ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब वो एसेंस ही निकल जाए. या
Yeah.
तो बनाओ ही मत. एंड
Yeah.
आई वुड से इफ देयर आर एनी मेकर्स दैट आर देयर डाउन साउथ, आई थिंक यू शुड think about making a pan India film now. Don't
Yeah.
allow your movies to be remade in Hindi or in any other
Yeah.
language. Make a pan India
Exactly.
film.
Exactly.
Bahubali was
So,
a pan India film. North India में कितना चला था वो. It was a South
हाँ.
Indian Telugu language film.
Exactly.
You are-
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say, that Bahubali was made in initially was made in one language, Telugu, then it was dubbed. So it is better
Dubbed.
to make it in one language initially, then you can dub it. So, when you make it with an original star, then it becomes much more easier for the remake to be made. तो उसमें कोई मेहनत नहीं होती है. So
Yeah.
I don't. So I think it's foolish जो दृश्यम इतना remake हुआ. I mean, I don't think anyone can match Mohanlal. What
Yeah.
Mohanlal did in Drishyam, even Kamal Hassan couldn't match his acting progress. So Mohanlal was far superior than anyone. So I don't know why they had to remake Drishyam 8 or 9 times. So commercially it's good, but from a viewer perspective, you are losing out on such amazing scripts. So वो amazing
True.
scripts बन ही नहीं पाता आगे जाके. Why are they making remakes? I don't understand
एंड
this.
मुझे
Really,
एंड मुझे एक चीज और बताओ कि बाहुबली जो है कोई उसका रीमेक बना पाएगा हिंदी में?
impossible,
है
impossible.
इतना
No, it's,
इतना
don't
बजट
even
है
think
आपके
about it.
पास?
Don't even
फिर
think about it.
तो थिंक अबाउट पैन इंडिया देन, दैट इज द
Yeah,
थिंग। ऐसे
like RRR,
विक्रम आ
like
रहा है,
RRR,
लाइक
RRR भी
आरआरआर।
आ रहा है.
यस
Yeah,
यस
pan
यस।
India, and the viewers are supporting remakes. This what angers
Because
me,
they
यार.
don't watch the South Indian one. No, उन लोगों को
हाँ,
लगता है कि कौन देखेगा subtitles के साथ हिंदी का
yeah,
ही वेट करते हैं. That the problem is in the
लेकिन
audience also. ना, they don't want to
yeah,
invest
लेकिन
their time in watching the South Indian one.
लेकिन
हाँ.
मुझे एक चीज बताओ, अभी तो रीमेक तो चलो एक चीज हुआ, नाउ तो कुछ तो ऐसी मूवीज का रीमेक बन रहा है जिस दे शुड नॉट हैव बीन मेड इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस आल्सो,
Lakshmi
लाइक
Bomb,
कूली
Lakshmi
नंबर
Bomb,
वन। लक्ष्मी
Lakshmi
बॉम्ब तो
Bomb.
ठीक है, कूली नंबर वन जो हिंदी वाला था वो तेलुगु मूवी का रीमेक था एक शायद, एंड
अरे
उसका
लेकिन फिर
रीमेक भी
भी
बन रहा है, वापस बना दिया भाई।
मेरे को, but for me, Coolie number one was still watchable. Lakshmi Bomb was beyond pathetic, यार.
At all, and we do not recommend anybody to watch Tufan. अगर देख ली है तो we feel bad for you. नहीं देखी है तो
आप
please.
ट्रेलर देख लो,
हाँ.
आप ट्रेलर देख लो, आपने मूवी देख ली है, समझ जाओ।
और
हाँ,
बस हमने बता भी दिया कि मृणाल ठाकुर मर जाती है तो हमने स्पॉइलर भी दे दिया, बाकी कुछ है नहीं.
ट्रेलर भी देख लिया है।
so yeah.
And
So please,
अगर किसी
please,
को देखना हो, कोई देखना चाह रहा हो तो सॉरी कि
हाँ.
आपने
exactly, that's
spoiler
what I
दे दिया।
said. किसी ने
नहीं
अगर
नहीं,
देखी
अगर
तो
कोई
it's bad.
कोई देखना चाह रहा है तो वी फील सॉरी फॉर देम कि वो उनको जो देखने के बाद डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होगा. तो वी एक्चुअली फील सॉरी फॉर यू गाइस. तो प्लीज मत
नॉट
देखना.
गेटिंग अ फिल्म इन द इंडस्ट्री देना, ये सब अगर गया तो you'll have to
नहीं नहीं,
edit everything out.
but to be very frank, we would recommend Sarpatta Parambai to just
I
uh,
recommend it.
yeah, just to enjoy and to see what actually boxing is. So we would recommend Sarpatta Parambai, and if you can't even watch Sarpatta Parambai, to rewatch Mukkabas. So, because I rather watch Mukkabas, so you'll know what the struggles of a boxer are. So
Yeah.
you'll actually know what because Tuban is not even enjoyable for me, at least.
Yeah,
We're very sorry to say.
yeah.
So yeah, so the sports genre, if there are any budding writers, please stay away from cliches in the sports
Yeah,
genre, or don't make that, don't write
please
about
don't.
it. And अगर आपको explore करना है तो there are a couple of movies this year in the sports genre that has come out. One is Skater Girl, excellent movie. I mean,
Amazing.
even though it is predictable,
It's on
excellent
Netflix,
movie.
by the way, guys. So
It's
please
on
watch
Netflix.
it.
Yes, please do watch it. And ये तो है ही, सरपट्टा परंपराई स्टोरी होनी चाहिए. इट कैन नॉट बी सो वनिला लाइक इन तूफान. सिंपल सी बात है. तो ये दो है, यू कैन बिल्ड ऑन दैट इफ देयर एनी बटिंग राइटर्स, या तो डोंट मेक इट एट ऑल.
Yeah.
Yeah,
True.
true.
So
वांट टू गो टू
yeah. So rating. Yeah. Rating.
I don't think we should be rating Tufan.
हाँ, ये तो है.
No point in rating Tufan. I mean, we have clearly said what we think about the film, but
मेरा रेटिंग इज ऑन द in the
हाँ.
description link
which
if you
I
want to
have
visit.
which I am adding. I've added in the edit, so it's there. And for Sarpata Parampara,
For me, 4 out of 5.
मेरे लिए भी 4 out of 5.
मेरे लिए भी
Definitely 4 out of 5.
it's a good movie. It's beyond boxing, is what I like.
Yes.
Unboxing.
मतलब,
Yeah.
It's beyond my expectations. I didn't expect to be that good.
Yeah.
Really engaging, and it's too long but still engaging.
Yeah.
Never
First thing that I
bored.
thought was it's so long. कितनी लंबी
हाँ.
But
picture
then
है
South
यार.
Indian movies are long only. Like the first half
Not
को वैसे भी
always.
थोड़ा खींचते हैं, but then the second
Not
half is
always.
what engages you.
But
Not
that was
always.
relevant, ना?
हाँ, relevant था ये. I was coming to that कि मतलब इतनी लंबी मूवी at the face of it लगती है, लेकिन
It is
ऐसे
good.
निकलता है टाइम.
It's a good
ऐसे
watch. Yeah.
निकलता है.
True. Exactly.
Okay. Thank you for coming, guys, and thank you, Sari Bhadas निकालने के लिए. It was fun. I was waiting to do this, and you all were the best people to talk about this. So
I feel 2 kgs lighter.
yeah.
Yeah.
So we will see you all soon, and you can let us know what you think about the film and which one you like better in the comments below. Please don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe, and please press the bell.
don't forget to do it, guys.
ये ना पहले डालना, ठीक है? ये जो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब है ना, ये पहले डालना, एडिट करके सबसे स्टार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो पे पुट दैट.
Okay.
And
बिना देखे
चलेगा.
लाइक कर दो यार, बिना देखे लाइक
हाँ.
कर दो. ये वीडियो पे 1000 लाइक लगा दो, देखते 1000 लाइक हो
I
पाती है कि नहीं हो पाती.
hope 20 like आते हैं.
1000 लाइक होती है. नहीं,
हाँ।
1000 लाइक करके दिखाओ अपने को ये वीडियो पे, और
Please
बताओ
करके
कि
दिखाओ.
you like any or not.
Okay, guys, thank you for coming, and we will see you all soon.
चलो.